Yo! So today's the day, my first camping trip of 2020. I know a lot of you have been waiting, wondering if I'm even going to post a video or go camping this year. I'm doing it. Stay tuned. All right, in the van now. I'm going to repo the van. For those of you who don't work in movies, repo means reposition. That's what we're going to do now. So man, I'm decked out in the blue today. Do I want to go backwards? Yeah, we'll go backwards. Just gonna take some of this stuff out there to the car. I'm gonna load up. We're gonna do some time lapse of the drive, I think. I'm gonna load up the van. I'm gonna load up all this stuff, all my gear. Check my list twice, make sure I have everything. Okay, this is it. First trip of the year. We're gonna lock up here. And then we'll be on our way. There she is. Check out the roof racks. Didn't know I had them, but I do. Got my hoodie, so I almost forgot that, so glad I went back inside. Now I'm gonna stock up on food stuff. And then we'll do a little time lapse of the drive there. Why not? Got a few things at the grocery. Got some ice, some snacks. Just stopped and got some gas. We are locked and we are loaded, and you're gonna really like this place, and I can't wait to show it to you. For sale, so I thought, you know, I'm gonna stop and just grab some just in case. And the guy that runs the firewood, he said that everything's full around here. He actually owns this land. Kind of pricey, but I'd rather for sure have a spot than be driving around for hours looking for a spot, not knowing the area. Right now,
proceed to the route.
He's taking me to the campsite. At this point, it's kind of late, almost 5:30. I got up here late, that's okay. This is out of my van at my campsite. A little stool, got some wood. There's no fire pit here. This is my table, citronella candle. It's like we're camping in someone's yard. It's not like a typical campsite that has like a fire pit, fire ring deal, so. All right, we're gonna make the best of it, what we're getting ready to do. Got my cooler, some onions, peppers, we got our sausage, a little bit of zesty Italian. Foil sheet, you can see that back there. Today we are using the smoked sausage from Zatarain's. I've never had this kind before, Zatarain's. So we're gonna start with these kinds of pieces. We need some light on the subject. There we go, we got a little light there. Now what I'm gonna do is add some onions to this. Like that. Add some peppers, snap them up. There's that. Put that in the cooler for a little while, let it marinate, and I'm gonna work on getting the fire going. Chili licks, fries, and chips, and whoa, whoa. Whoops, sorry about that, guys, girls. Trying to get this fire going better. Alright, we're gonna see if that gets going. Welcome back to the video. I thought I was recording, so I took all of the peppers and the onions and sausage and the Italian dressing, and I added salt and pepper and garlic salt and put it inside of this. I thought we were recording, we weren't. This is the foil pack. We'll cook this over the fire. We're gonna see how that goes. I have a little small fire going. This trip has been a good learning experience. I see that this is probably not the best place to camp because it's so busy and so popular, so I'm gonna go back to the drawing board on that. I don't know if you can see that fan. That fan right there. It's pumping fresh oxygen in, keeping the fire going. I put this table here, this table that my dad made. Got my meal on there, the foil pack, right in the heat. So, hoping, I'm really hungry, haven't eaten much today. I'm hoping that this does the trick. Eat a nice hot meal, bundle up, get inside the van after I put the fire out. It's my first night camping in 2020, my first night camping in a long time. Even though I don't have a tent, I'm safe and sound in my van. I have my hammock, got a fire right outside the door, I have food, I have drinks. I'm good to go.